Get your laughing gear around the ultimate camping brekkie. Now, as we all know, if you're the first one to wake up, you're the one banging out camping brekkie. So why not have something with bags of flavour, but pretty easy? You could easily hike out with this cook. I'm just using a screw top gas canister and a Solid Technics pan. Sear to some egg flip to flip around the guts. In a collapsible mixing bowl, I'm just banging in self-raising flour. You can always use plain flour and some bicarb soda because that's going to give it some nice lift. Then some fully leaded cow's juice. Right, now beat the crap out of that until nice and smooth. Pan on low heat, we're going to render out a lot of that fat from the bacon first. Right, now we can finish the pancake mix while that pan's heating up. As you can see, nice and smooth. We're going to throw an auntie's leg in here. This is going to give it some real volume, and when you beat this up, it should have almost like a jelly-like consistency. I reckon custard might even be a more accurate description. Now, using the homemade bacon we done in a previous video, we're going to dice this up. Once crustier than the old cocky sitting at the bar, put that to the side and we'll bang out the pancakes. Now leave all the bacon grease, that rendered out, we're going to cook the pancakes in that. When you start to see some bubbles on the top, then we can flip it over, obviously bang it into the bacon. Dark tan maple is the only go here. Now get your Mark 1 eyeball around that. And now if you're allergic to crumpet foot, you might as well look away now. It's a perfect balance of sweet, salty and fat, cracking breakfast. Now bang it in.